Hey there, how can I get started?
To get started, just change the system prompt in the
Alright, what is your task?
I'm here to help you with math questions. Just tell me what you need, and I'll do my best to solve it. What's your first question?
Here comes the task.
Ready when you are. Go ahead and present your 4 plus 32994 is 329.
Thank you very much. What's 9 plus 10?
9 plus 10 is 19.
Okay, can you explain to me the theory of Pythagoras?
The Pythagorean theorem
Alright,
is
let me
all
interrupt
about...
you right there. Never mind, I just want the equation.
No problem. The equation is a squared plus b squared
Alright,
equals...
that's going quite well. And now this is English, let's put it to Dutch. Hey, waar kan je me mee helpen?
Ik kan je helpen met opdrachten, problemen
Alright, and what
of
happens if I
gewoon...
talk English to you?
Dan antwoord ik gewoon in het Engels. Maar je had het over een
Oké,
wiskundevraag.
wat is de stelling van Pythagoras?
De stelling van Pythagoras gaat over rechthoekige driehoeken. Het zegt dat a kwadraat
Thank
plus
you very
b
much.
kwadraat... Graag gedaan. Succes, Petten.